This is the all-new Transit. This is the 350 L3H2 model in chrome blue. We are looking at a limited model here. The all wraparound LED running lights there. 16-inch alloy wheels. The limited model is top of the range, so you get great features such as automatic lights, automatic wipers. You also get cruise control, 8-inch colour touchscreen, air conditioning, DAB radio. As you can see in the back, this van comes with Ford's protection kit for protection in the back, easy clean floor. Also has LED lights for ease of seeing what's in the back. Also, with it being a limited, you get front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, which is just up there. If you'd like any more information on the Transit, just give us a call on 01524 598 598, or come down to our showroom in Morecambe.